Remove the water tank. Then unplug this tube. After the tube is removed, lift up the machine. Check if there is any garbage in this rubber strip. Is there any sand or hair on it? Wipe it with a rag. After the wipe, put down the machine and push it forward a bit. Push it to see the angle of the rubbers. The rubbers should bend more than 30 degrees. If the degree of bending is insufficient, adjust these 3 screws. 1 screw on both sides. There's another screw in the middle. After loosening the middle screw with a wrench, lift the squeegee. Manually adjust the wheel upwards or downwards to the appropriate position. Then lower the squeegee to check if the height has been adjusted correctly. After lowering the squeegee, push the machine forward a bit. If the angle is still not correct, continue adjusting the middle wheel. Then loosen the screws on both sides. Adjust the squeegee's angle by moving it forward and backward. Push the machine forward a bit. Repeat this process if necessary.